Hi my dear friends, welcome to Finvest Talks. It has been 10 months since I put the last video. You all know that I have not put any video, and having been relieved from the organization, it gives me liberty to put entire personal finance video. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to put the personal finance video unbiased as always to my viewers in Hindi, Tamil and English. Please stay tuned. It is going to be a beautiful journey from now on. I'm going to put out all those videos specially curated for you. So please stay with me. Please subscribe, comment and share. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day. Bye bye. Hi my dear friends, welcome to Finvest Talks. Good times ahead, that is what the video title is. Yes my dear friends, good times ahead despite a lot of geopolitical things happening around the world like Trump, Putin talks and then wars here and there. But domestically, if you see things, if you have gone through newspapers for the past 2-3 days, certain indicators have given, yes, that's why good times ahead. That's what I see. My perception is that. Number one, the inflation, consumer food price inflation, it is at somewhere around 1.55 to 1.6%, which is lowest in 8 years, my dear friends. It means you are allowed to purchase more food. You are allowed to purchase more with less money. It means what? Your purchasing power has not been eroding as much as it was. Okay, it is eroding at 1.55% to 1.6%. Here, the growth rate is going to be much higher because of the spending happens. The growth, companies will get more profit, a lot of production is going to happen, a lot of employment is going to happen. And number two, in today's newspaper, it has shown Standard and Poor, S&P has upgraded India to BBB level. It means what? The more confidence on economy, more stable economy it is. We are just above the Brazil economy now, and there is a long journey like BB plus, A minus, A and A plus and all. So America at A plus and many countries are AAA. So if we think that there is a growth journey with this kind of a rating, that is BB minus, from BBB we are coming in, there lot of investor confidence will pour in, my dear friends. A lot of companies will come and invest in India so that our economy will grow, and government is also doubling up. So thanks to Trump tariff, and because of that, the government is diversifying their exports and then making infrastructure for ports, logistics, and then semiconductor investments is going to happen in 4 places, around 4,600 crore. All this happening, my dear friends. So the government is doubling down its effort. A lot of infrastructure is being made, and then a lot of rules and procedural issues have been ironed out, and then making India investor friendly, and company RBI also allowed to open Ostro account for rupee trade. So whatnot, a lot of good things are happening, my dear friends. These are all the basically spade work, my dear friends. Once the spade work, infrastructure foundation is done, then the pace will be in a different pace, my dear friends. So definitely we are going to see good times to come in the long run. Of course, there may be little bit of knee-jerk here and there, then market might react that. But if you are an investor, I think you are in a very good times, my dear friends. If you have already invested, stay invested. So a lot of things are going to come up. You will see each one of them, which sector going to get benefited in the coming weeks and months, my dear friends. So please stay as an investor, informed investor. So all these have come up. I'm just giving up. And if you got any comments, you can just put it in the comment, my dear friends. Please share, subscribe, and then more so, and interact with the whatever the comments you can put it, my dear friends. So please stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye bye.